A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome to your first standard to the new session. I am your maths teacher. Today we will learn a very interesting chapter, that is chapter number 1, that is comparison. My name is Divya Durgani. Let's move on to our first chapter. See, dear children, the first topic you are having, big and small. Now we will see what is big and what is small. See, in the first picture, this ball is big, this is small. Yes, big, small. Next, you are having big apple and a small strawberry. You are having big, small. Understood? Next, big, small, big bus and a small car. Yes, dear children. Next, we will see the second topic, that is biggest and smallest. Yes? Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger and biggest. Next you are having small, smaller, smallest. इससे छोटा ये, इससे छोटा ये. इस एप्पल से बड़ा ये एप्पल, इस एप्पल से बड़ा ये वाला एप्पल. सबसे बड़े एप्पल को व्हाट वी विल से बिगेस्ट, एंड सबसे छोटी वाली शीप को व्हाट वी विल से स्मॉलेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट. नाउ व्हाट यू आर हैविंग? Long pencil, short pencil. Understood? Long pencil, short pencil. Next you are having long tree, and here you are having short tree. छोटा सा tree एकदम. Yes? See here, so long tree and a short tree. Let's watch a small video to understand it more clearly. Dear children, watch this video very carefully, okay?
Comparison. Big, small. This is big.
See, dear children. Now, here you are having, this is big. This is big, a big elephant. Yes. Next
Is big. This is small.
this is small, chota.
Small. Biggest, smallest, big, bigger, biggest.
Big, bigger, biggest. सबसे बड़ा. सबसे बड़ा जो होगा, that will be called biggest. Big, bigger, biggest.
Biggest. Long, short. My skirt is long.
See, my skirt is long. My skirt is short. See in the picture, both the girls are wearing skirt, but her skirt is long and her skirt is short. I hope, dear children, you enjoyed the video. Now let's see a small worksheet which is there in the textbook, okay? Dear children, this is your exercise 1 which is there in the textbook on the very first page, okay? What you have to do, you have to take the small fruit, means सबसे छोटा. Here we are having apple and watermelon. इन दोनों में से सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? Tell me very loudly. Yes, it is apple. So you will a small tick like this on apple. Next, tick the big fish. Big fish. See here. 2 fishes are given to us. Which one is the big one? Tell me. This one or this one? This one? Yes. So you will do a tick mark like this. Next, exercise 2 you are having. Tick the biggest. You have to tick the biggest. Okay. In exercise 2, see, 3 flowers are given to us. अब इसमें से मैम को बताओ which is the biggest one? सबसे बड़ा वाला? First one? No? Second one? No? Third one? Yes. Next, tick the smallest. Now see here, rabbit, sheep and cow. इसमें से सबसे छोटा सा कौन सा है? You have to take it on your own. Okay, I know you can do it. Next, you are having exercise 3. Exercise 3. Tick the child with long hair. See, 2 girls are here. Okay, tick the child with the long hair. अभी इन दोनों में से किसके पास सबसे बड़े बाल हैं? Tell me. See the picture very carefully. Yes, the second girl. Next, tick the short animal. See here, 2 animals are given to you. Yes, you have to tick the small one, the short one. Understood, dear children? I hope you are very much clear with the part 1 of this video. We will meet next time with something more interesting in maths. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.